In this video, we're going to show you how to install the O2 sensor on your Toyota Camry located in the upper exhaust manifold. Now with the hood open, we're going to go ahead and remove our engine cover here first. You're going to gently grab the corners, lift up, sliding this up off of the mounting tabs and set it aside. Now with the engine cover removed, we want to go ahead and locate the connector right here, and right next to it is a retainer. Little lock tab retainer. I'm going to use my pliers. We're going to do the retainer first. Just kind of pinch these tabs and we want to pull this out. I'm going to use my pocket screwdriver. Just gently lift up on this tab right here. There it is. Now if we follow this harness down, I'm going to remove it from the retainer. Keep that off the heat shield. Right here and here. Next, we're going to use our O2 sensor socket. And what that is this right here. It's a 22 millimeter and it has a slit in the side of it. That allows for the harness to go through it. Drop that down. Now, we did spray down around here with some rust penetrant to try and help us break this free. Then we're going to put our ratchet on there. We're using a swivel head ratchet. I'm going to push this heat shield back a little bit. And now I want to go ahead and push on this. There we go. Now the harness is going to want to rotate with this. Once you get to a certain point, you should, not always, but you should be able to pull that socket off. Grab that sensor itself, grab that harness, grab the sensor and spin it out. Now you rotate the harness with it. There it is. Now installing the O2 sensor, there is a crush washer and then there's going to be some anti-seize compound on the threads. You want to make sure you don't get the anti-seize compound on the sensor itself. I'm going to lower this down in a position. Go ahead and line that up. And as we install this, we're going to rotate the harness with the sensor as we thread this down and in. Now the crush washer itself, you're going to feel it start to crush once we get this in by hand and we snug it down. The washer itself will crush and seal this unit to the manifold. Thread it in as far as you can by hand. Go ahead and install the socket here over the harness. All right, let's go ahead and snug it down. I can feel that crush washer seating. And it's just going to get to the point that it can't turn anymore. It's going to make it pretty tight. Okay. You can remove the ratchet and your socket. Go ahead and run that harness up into the hanger. I'm going to bring this up and install it into the connector right here. I'm going to press it in. You're going to hear it and feel it lock into place. Install a retainer. Now that we have our O2 sensor installed, if you happen to have a check engine light on in the vehicle due to this sensor malfunctioning, go ahead and use the scan tool to properly clear that code. Now I want to go ahead and install the engine cover and take the car for a road test. I'm going to go ahead and take the engine cover, and there's going to be a couple of ports along the bottom here that line up with mounting points. Simply line up the oil fill cap with the opening, and you almost feel it drop into place. Push it down gently, and you're all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.